Hello everyone, welcome into my fall home tour for 2023. I have so many beautiful designs to share with you. I'm Olivia's Romantic Home. Come on in, I cannot wait to share with you guys my cozy cottage home. So welcome everybody into my fall entryway. The cutest thing here is my little puppy dog Benji Bear, and he is dressed in his autumn scarf for you guys. He really was a big participant in this video, but I want to share with you guys my fall entryway. I have this beautiful table, some family photos, a beautiful floral that my friend Jake and I did, and just some soft mood lighting. It's the first thing that I turn on in the morning when I wake up is just these nice soft lamps. I'm going to put Benji Bear down and share with you guys the pretty autumn decor that I have created in my home. So I'm going to share with you guys my fall entryway table, but my little guy Benji Bear here, he was so dressed up for this video with his special pumpkin scarf. He is showing up big time. So he dropped his little green ball down on the sofa. He's popping out of the sofa and he was showing up and showing out. So I'm just going to go ahead and put him on the spotlight here. We are going to take a look at my house, but you know what? Those puppy dogs and kitty cats and whatever little kiddos and, pets you have, those are really the heart of your home. So here's my entryway table. I added in this pretty little garland that I grabbed at Hobby Lobby, this beautiful antique lady statue from Jake, my friend at Bratton House Antiques in Branson, Missouri, from his shop. Jake and I also created this floral, and then I just found some really pretty kind of opulent frames to put my kiddos' pictures in. I feel like it's such a grand way to enter the home. I also added in some pretty little fairy lights to my table. I love these two lamps that I used from Hobby Lobby. This is a very full display. I'm one of those gals that more is more. If you guys like minimalism, I'm more of a maximalist. But, this is how I love to decorate, and I love to make everything really feel cozy, home for the holidays, and all of that kind of fun stuff. I have this on kind of just a French country little entryway table. Here is a beautiful overview, and, it's cozy, it's festive. It has my kiddos' pictures on it and some beautiful florals. Here is a backside view. There's Benji Bear. He's given a big stretch. I have some pretty little pumpkin pillows and some cozy pillows from Target. I have a very informal sofa because I like to keep things very comfortable for my kids. I created this quick little display on the fly this morning to just kind of give this table a centerpiece. I grabbed this deer again from Jake's shop at Bratton House Antiques. I added in some Hobby Lobby florals and then just some pretty fairy lights, a beautiful little Dollar Tree candle, some Dollar Tree velvet pumpkins, and these light up silver Cinderella pumpkins. I think they make a beautiful cozy glow. I'm all about feeling cozy, and I do like to put a character at the centerpiece of my designs. And so I also added in these beautiful red curtains in my living room. So welcome in to my cozy living room. I shared with you guys in another DIY how to create this beautiful over the top mantle, and also how to create these fun little painted pumpkins. And I will show you guys too. I also want to show you guys that I added in some beautiful red curtains to my fall decor. I think it'll be really pretty for fall into Christmas. Grab those off of Amazon, and let's take a peek around the rest of my fall living room. welcome in to my small little cottage kitchen. Let's have a cup of tea. This is my favorite tea kettle from Mackenzie Childs. It was actually a gift from someone a long time ago, and I love to have a cup of tea. I also have this pretty little clock that I added. I removed the Hoosier cabinet from this kitchen space. I had a large Hoosier cabinet in here, but my kitchen is so small that it really took up way too much room in here, and it's just easier to move around. I've even been filming some DIYs in here. I also created a beautiful garland over my kitchen window. Now I would like to invite you all to have a cup of tea with me. Let's catch up. I would love to hear how your day is going. I'll also make you a cup of coffee if you don't prefer tea. Let's relax and have some pumpkin bread, and we'll take a peek around my kitchen. Share with you guys my beautiful fall dining room. I created this amazing floral chandelier. It's like almost like a floral canopy. It's very, what I would say, bridal inspired. I also created a centerpiece to match, and I shared with you guys a DIY on all of these pieces, as well as this beautiful floral swag in the background. And believe it or not, I used a pool noodle to create all of these beautiful, amazing florals. So you guys can do this on a budget, and just pop back onto some of my other fall videos, and you guys can find out how to do these amazing creations. I just feel like it cozies up my home and my dining room and makes it feel very romantic. my pretty little powder room, and I actually created this morning. I got busy crafting. I wanted this space to feel a little bit more warm and cozy. It was just feeling too stark, and I wasn't at all prepared to decorate my bathroom for fall, but I put the greenery up, and then I had some extra pink pumpkins left over, and then I had this beautiful ribbon that I got from the BAM wreaths. Oh my gosh, so she custom designs this ribbon, you guys, and it is incredible. I feel like it just elevated this piece a million times over. So let's take a peek around my pretty little powder room. Welcome in to my royal bedroom. I actually created this canopy with some beautiful curtains that I found at the local thrift store. I simply hung a hook in the top of the ceiling and added the panels on either side. Then I hung a curtain rod above my bed and added the pretty curtains in the back. I found at a resale shop, new in the bag factory sealed, this beautiful fall bedding, and I layered it with another pretty comforter underneath because it wasn't quite the right size. So to extend that out, I just bought a larger oversized king comforter and put that underneath it. A little trick for the eye and tip from me to you. Let's take a peek around my pretty, beautiful, royal inspired fall bedroom. Okay, we have had so much fun peeking around the interior of my home decorated for fall. I couldn't resist sharing with you guys my exterior. So I stopped by a pumpkin patch and collected these beautiful pumpkins. And then, of course, I have my little Walmart scarecrow, his and hers out here. I decorated my mailbox, my front porch, my front tree, my front everything. So I hope you guys are inspired and are absolutely loving this. Benji Bear really went over the top, showing out for you guys. I have a small little home, but you know what? I make the most of it, and I hope you guys are doing the same. Bloom where you're planted, and no matter where you're at, if you're given a new day, it's a new day with God's grace, and for us to keep putting one foot in front of the other. And I love y'all so, so much. There's Benji Bear saying hi. So that is going to be it for this fall home tour. Thank you all so, so much. I am Olivia, Olivia's Romantic Home. I would love to invite you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free. I am a DIY crafty mama. I have been on YouTube now for 6 years, sharing with you guys Dollar Tree, thrift store, and Hobby Lobby budget-friendly crafts and decorating ideas. I think my #1 tip for you all is to embrace your space and do what you love in your home. I particularly love lots of florals and a very romantic feel, so that's how I decorate my home and even myself with this pretty little romantic dress. And you know, just the things that I love. I fell in love with Mackenzie Childs, and I fell in love with their story as well. And you know, I love my family. I love crafting and decorating. So if you guys love that, follow me also over on Olivia's Romantic Home with Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I think crafting and decorating for me is so good for your heart and soul. It's more for me than just creating something beautiful. It's sharing my gift, and my gift is a gift from God, from the Lord. I'm a believer, and I feel like we all have a gift to share. And so no matter where you guys are at in your crafting and decorating journey, keep going, don't give up. Every day that we wake up is a new day for us to share God's light and for us to create and share our gift. And we're all here for one another and for a purpose. So I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait for our next video. Bloom where you're planted, and remember, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another. Talk to you guys so, so soon. Love y'all. Bye.